జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కిష్కింధాకాండ. Also, Vali, Sugriva is like my brother. When Sugriva approached me and told me that you have done this such huge sin, immediately in front of thousands of Vanaras, I have taken a oath that I would kill Vali. When I did that kind of promise, when I did that kind of swearing, how do you think that I would not fulfill my own oath? Oh Vali, because of all these reasons, I have punished you. You have to agree that, you have to accept that this punishment is right punishment to you and you deserve this punishment. Sarvadha dharma ityeva drashtavyah tava nigraha. Oh Vali, the punishment that I gave you is in every possible angle. It is the right punishment. You have to accept that, and everyone has to accept that this is the right punishment to you. Oh Vali, Sugriva, he hasn't crossed the limits, he hasn't gone against Vedic tradition, and he is like my brother. You are an enemy to my brother, not only just an enemy. Because you have gone against dharma, you became an enemy to my brother, and that is how you became an enemy to me. You have done huge sin. That is why I punished you. Dharmameva anupasyataha. This is what is dharma. You have to understand this. You have to accept that. And at least now, if you want to follow dharma, you have to accept this punishment is for your sin. If you accept that, that means you are following dharma. Like that, Sri Ramachandra Swami establishing the dharma and justifying what he has done to Vali is dharma in all aspects and all respects. Now Sri Ramachandra Swami saying to Vali, "Oh Vali, regarding the traditions, Manu said 2 slokas. All of our elderly people followed Manu's instructions from those 2 slokas. Shruyate Manuna Gitau Slokau Charitra Vatsalau." Now I am going to tell you those 2 slokas. Listen to them very carefully. The first sloka, Rajabhihi Dhruta Dandastu Krutva Papani Manavaha Nirmalaha Swargam Ayanti Santaha Sukrutino Yadha. Oh Vali, the meaning of this sloka is Manavas, that means humans does sins, commits sins. Then the kings give them punishment. When the humans who commit sins gets the punishment, with that sin will be totally washed off. Then they become Punya Purusha and they will be heading towards Swargam, heaven. That is what the meaning of the first sloka. Oh Vali, and the second sloka is Sasanadva Vimokshadva Stenaha Steyat Vimuchyate Rajatva Sasan Papasya Tadavapnoti Kilbisham. The second sloka meaning is, while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.